Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yoshito Reddy, and in today's video, I would like to talk about PostgreSQL, which is one of the most powerful and advanced relational database management system in the world, and which is known for its reliability, scalability, and security. And PostgreSQL, which was used by the companies like Apple, Uber, and Instagram. And in today's video, we will like to talk about how the like initializations are done on our local system, and we can configure with the like a user ID and password, and then we can build the relational database, and then we can manipulate the data. And without any further delay, let's get into our video. And firstly, I'm going to my browser. I would searching for the PostgreSQL download, and I will go for the download pages, and in this I would like to prefer Windows. So like my system is about Windows only. So let's get into the download one. So download the installer, and in this I would like to choose about the PostgreSQL 16.6 because it's the safest version, and make it download. Yes, I would like to save it and see it is downloading in my local PC. And after this, let's install this. Just wait for the second and PostgreSQL, which was supported by all the things. So let me install my software this. And now let me open my file. So now it is about to install. See, it comes with the PostgreSQL, and it will take some little bit of time. Don't be panic. Yes. And now click on next, and it will be saved in my local PC of PostgreSQL in 16. And I have to select all the checkboxes and click on next and click on next. Yeah, now setup is completed. So after this initial, so we will proceed into further. And please ensure page admin my data issue. So let me wait for the minute whether it will be continue with this. Right. And now you can able to see it was finished in PostgreSQL. Click on next. It will download some applications. If you want to click on like add the web applications or any database, we can give it. Otherwise, we can leave it. So next, and that's it. Skip the installation and continue the finish. And now, when you click on Windows button, you will see about the PG admin. See, it's my PG admin, the PostgreSQL which was there. And let me open my PostgreSQL, and it was open like this in the appearance. So we have to wait for the 2 minutes. Let me wait. And now it will be open the dashboard like this. And we have to maximize this. And now let me check all these things, the dashboard, the properties, the SQL statistics, all the things. So let me remove all the things. We don't need all the things. Okay, close it, and simply dashboard also. So let me get into my server. So see, if I click on my server, the all the databases will be there. And while I'm clicking on my database, it will be showing pop-up. right? See, these are the databases, and I already having one database like without should see. And while we seeing in the tables, in the schemas, right? See, I have already there are two tables having columns of ID and name, and also while coming with employee table with having employee tables of e-name, only e-name. Yeah, let's get into my database now. Okay, so let's click on my database and come with the query. And now see, if I want to create a new database, I can create the new database here. If I want to use my like a old one like already created, so I can get into the query tool. So let me for you, I am creating a new database which was like what already do I already. Yeah, so let me save this the new database which will be the database connected. So let me refresh and see where my database is there. So here my new database will be created. So let me see the schema and see what are the tables here. And there was nothing there, no new tables, right? So I need to create the new table and come with the query tool. So we have the following GUI, the graphical user interface. So now we create a new table here. Okay, uh, create a create table emp of id int not null. So after this, I want to give name of varchar of 50 characteristics. Okay, and also I want to give a salary of integer. And let me execute my query. I want to execute my query. See, the table was created, and it will take 88 milliseconds. So, and now I want to insert the values into this table. And did you see the query? The create a table means we are creating the new table which was of employee, and we are giving two columns which was the ID and the name, and I was given integer because ID will be in the of the numerical type, and there was a not null means we don't need to like give the null values. And I was given the name, and also I was given third one salary. So it is of the integer. Okay. And now insert into into emp of id comma name comma salary which was of values of one comma, and I'm giving a should, and I want to give in single quotations it is HUD, and then having the salary of 20K. So let me run this query. We will check whether it will be run or not. So the insert 01 like one query is executed, and let me see whether my query was executed and the table will be inserted or not. So select store from EMP, and let me check like I want to fetch the details like what are the rows in this particular EMP, and see here the one Achut and the 2000 20,000. So having a column names of ID, name and the salary. Did you see right? And I want to insert some more values. Insert into EMP of EMP of same thing like ID, comma name, comma salary, salary of values. I already given one, right, and now I will give two, comma anything Luxman, and I am forgetting. I want to give in small quotes like single quotes Luxman and having titled 30k, and I want to give another value, so comma, and I want to give 3, comma, so, and what Rahul, and having a 35k. Oh, sorry, yeah, 35k. And finally I want to give the semicolon, and I want to run my query. So here the two rows were generated. Did you see that? The two rows were generated, and I am same running my old query. I want to fetch the data. So see, you can able to see, right? ID in name and like a salary. So I'm having the three rows, and I want to fetch the salaries. Select store from EMP. I want to fetch above 20,000. So what are the 20,000? Like I'm like my name has having 20,000. So I want accept this. I want to fetch these two rows. Employee where like now I'm filtering here. Employee like no where salary is greater than 20,000. Okay. Let me run this query. So see accept my name. Those two values are good here. Like about 20,000. So here I am filtering the salaries. So the whole thing I'm getting, right? So now I want to fetch, select show from EMP where name like percentage, a percentage. So let me check. I want to fetch the employers uh whose name having starting letter with A. So let me check whether it will be run or not getting any error. No, I'm not getting any error. Did you see, right? So here I'm getting with the starting letter A. Achut. Like if I want to get the last letter T, so I have to give the percentage T. So having lost letter T. So let me run my query. So I'm getting same thing. So if you want to see Rahul, like what the last letter L read. So let me check with this. So I'm getting the Rahul. Did you see, right? The how the PostgreSQL will work. So it is about the filtering. So I want to update the value of the Rahul 35,000 to 40,000. So let me give update get EMP set salary equals to 40,000 where name equals to Rahul. Whether it will be run or not, we will see. And let me run this query. Oh, it's updated. And now I want to check the salary of Rahul. Select store from EMP. So let me run this query EMP. See, before the Rahul is having 35,000 salary, and now it will be updated to 40,000. Did you able to see, right? So just a second. And now I want to drop my table where I want to throw table EMP. So let me run this query. So now table will be deleted. So I want to delete this whole table. So now let me check store from EMP. I will definitely get error because there was no table EMP exists. Did you see right? So this is how the queries will work. And now, um, I want to fetch the another two tables which are in relation, both EMP and department. And let me show you just. And now let me check what are the tables here. Um, in just a second. Slash tt run cbo not this. Select store from emp and let me show this. There was a employee table. Did you able to see right? One is the employee ID, employee name, job title, salary, hire date, and department ID. Did you see like employee ID, name, job title, salary, and hire date, and department ID? And I want to check select to from department and let me run this. Have a look. See here I am having department ID, department name, and location. And what is the common difference between both the things? Either department ID or the department name. Let me check. Department ID will be the same. Okay, it's the job title, and only department ID will be the same. So let me check. So now what the query I need to execute? Uh, Let me check. So I want to get the data whom are working in Newark, location of Newark. So and let me get this query. Select a store from EMP. No, select store from department where where location equals to Newark, new space York, Newark. So let me run this query. So I'm getting the Newark, right? So and for this, just leave it this and I select store from EMP. Let me check, and here the department ID will be there. So we need to cross check with the department ID. So select store from EMP where department underscore ID, right? ID equals to, I need to check like here the department ID, department underscore ID. Like here I'm getting the department ID and I'm making the subquery here. Did you able to see right? I'm running this whether we will get the query or not. See, those who are working in Newark, I'm getting the department ID. Let me show you how. Control C and Control V, and let me run this query. We have to put the semicolon here, and let me run this query. So you will get the from department table whose department ID is equal to 1. So here like I'm making whole query like I'm getting answer 1, right? So I want to check employee also. So in employee where the department ID is 1. So let me cross check where the department ID is 1. 1 and 1 here. So what are the names? Grace Hall and LS Johnson. And let me check. I'm getting the same query or not. Yes, Grace Hall and LS Johnson. Did you able to see right? Like how the subquery will works? So this is the subquery. And now I want to finally check the join. So see, and what is the relation between them? Like only department ID, right? So we don't need to get the department ID on the both the times. So let me do it the lost query. Select store from EMP as E. No, not as. I'm removing this. Employee join department D on E dot. What is the say columns matching? Department ID, right? Department underscore ID equals to D dot department underscore ID. And let me run this query. What we will get? See, I'm getting the normal EMP table with the department table also. Like how the rows are matching. See, in department ID, 1 1, it is matching, and 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5. See, all are matching rows only I'm getting. So, I previously given na the who are like from the New York, it's the New York. And what are the names here? One is the New York, he is the LS Johnson, and third one and fourth, second one is Grace Hall, right? We need to check whether he is from New York. Yes, he is the New York. See, I'm getting the whole table with the join. The join will do like what are the similar columns, and with these similar columns, what are the rows are the matching. So it will be adjustment according to this. So we are getting this join table, and we don't need to like getting both the department that is either from employee table and the department table. So I need to like check like uh it's the employee E, right? So E dot employee underscore ID comma E dot emp underscore name, what the E name after E dot job underscore title, and then what we have to do, E dot salary, salary comma, and let me make a enter. So we can't able to see the whole screen, right? That's why E dot salary comma, and what E dot after that hire date, right? Hire underscore date, and then comma E dot department underscore ID. And then we don't need to fetch the second department ID, right? So we need to go with a D, like in department. So after this D dot, we don't need to get the department ID, and that we will jump to the department name, DPT underscore name, comma, D dot, and final one location. So whether we will check it will work or not. So let me run this query, and I don't need to after run I don't need to see the both the department IDs. Just let me run. There was an error like E dot salary, or like okay, I need to mention here the comma. And did I forget anything here? Nothing. So let me run this query. If any errors we will see. And now see, you can able to see, right? I'm getting one department ID column. So what are the columns matching? I didn't get this. So this is how this like PostgreSQL will works. Did you able to see, right? And one I didn't like I need to mention one thing. The queries in MySQL and the PostgreSQL are almost similar, and both are working with the relational database, right? And let me close this, and I want to show you, yes, I want to quit this application, and I want to show you the SSMS. It's the MySQL Server Management Studio. If I open this, let me open this. It's the MySQL Server Management Studio. This is also about the relational database management system. So after opening this, like I want to show you like how similar the PostgreSQL and MySQL. See, I'm getting my user ID and login, and let me connect this. After connecting, see, I'm having my databases, and I will show you the PostgreSQL, right? Like on the left table, like how the ribbon will works. And see, I have the system tables. By default, these four databases will come, and I given like in the master table, I work with the tables. Like what are the tables? Just a second, we will see. We have the department table, employee table, the join, the sales. Same like if you want to see the columns or what are the columns in the department number, day name, like all the things. If you want to work with Mercer, say make a new query. And I want to see all the tables like show tables. Like what are the tables there? Show tables. And let me execute this query. So it's not about the show. Let and just a second. It will works in JAMP, but in SSMS, like it will be work with this one. Select name from C stored tables. While executing this query, you will able to see like what are the tables here. So almost both are similar with the relational data tables. So this is how the queries will work. And in the next video, I will show you about how the Azure Active Directory will works. So you can able to work with the cloud. So and for my videos, please hit a like and share, like, subscribe my channel. And we will meet you in the next video. Okay, thank you. Bye. Have